Now see, all pulleys are independently rotating. Now we will see how to use belt chain feature in SolidWorks assembly to connect this all pulley together. So drop down the feature assembly feature, and here you will find option belt chain. Click and activate. See, now here either you can choose pulley face or edge. Let's say I'm going to select face. Now you will see this pulley lying at center. Now let me select the second pulley face. Second one, you will see the arrow outward. Let me select third one. See. Now if you want to, let's say, rotate this move direction, simply click on this, or even you can select from here, let's say the center one, and here see flip belt side. See, now this is the radius of this pulley. If I am going to select the bigger one, the bigger radius, diameter, sorry, not radius, the diameter bigger one is 300 millimeter. Even though you can make it small, 150, but pulley size also going to small. So I am going to keep 300 millimeter. Fine. Now belt location. Now you can locate belt. Let's say I am going to select this outer face. See, the belt position move to outer face, but I don't want this one, so delete this one and keep at center. Come down. Now there is one option in property, belt length. If you want to change the length, just okay, it is not selecting because this is not activated. Belt thickness, let me apply belt thickness. Now let's give close view. See the belt, make it 5. See, the belt thickness going to be 5 millimeter. Now you can create belt 5 millimeter, and later we can, now here we activate create belt part. Now this belt going to save separately. Okay, simply say yes. Now just let me rotate this one pulley. See, all pulley rotating together. See, clockwise, move anti-clockwise. See, if you rotate one pulley, the power transmitting through belt and all pulley going to rotate. Even though you can make this pulley solid. Now let me save this one. Now here see, it is asking you save externally belt part. Say okay. Now you have to, it will save. Now see here, open. See, this is the belt part. Let me select plane and select any one end. Okay, sketch center rectangle. Let me draw one rectangle and define this length 5 and 20. This is the belt length. Now select the center part, hold shift key and select this one again. Pierce. Now this one is wrong. Let me reverse 20 and make this one 5. Okay, simply exit, go to feature, activate swift boss base. Now here choose profile. Now first let me choose profile. Second, let me select this one, path. You will see. Okay. Now save this part and go to assembly. Say yes. See how the belt is created. Simply click on the sketch, hide. See. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.